meatballs, potatoes, and broccoli.
Hey, sweeties, today we are making a one-pot, no-chop dinner for you. That's right, no knives necessary. And the one pot is this Ninja Neverstick 5-quart covered saute pan. Ooh, this is a workhorse in the kitchen, and it is the pan that I turn to most frequently. So let's get into it. But first, please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and let's get into this one pot, no chop, meatballs, roasted potatoes, and broccoli, one pot, no chop dinner. Let's go over our ingredients. We're going to start with fingerling Yukon gold potatoes. They are a rich, buttery flavor and a small enough size where you don't have to slice them. You don't even have to peel them. Then we're going to make meatballs with a combination of 90-10 ground beef. That's 90% lean and 10% fat. And we're going to use Italian sausage, and that's got our seasoning and our flavor, our fennel, our garlic in there. This is a mild Italian sausage, but you can use a spicy Italian sausage if you like. Eggs and breadcrumbs for our meatballs. And then we're going to add some broccoli in to our dish. Gotta have a little something green for, make us feel healthy. Always gotta add a little broccoli. They're so good with the meatballs and the potatoes. And then we're going to make a quick little gravy using beef broth. This is unsalted beef broth. And, I haven't decided yet whether I'm going to make this gravy with cornstarch or if I'm going to make it with a butter flour mixture. We'll see as we get towards the end of our dish. So let's get started.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
We've got our 5-quart Ninja Neverstick pan and our fingerling potatoes, and we want those to be in one layer so they will cook evenly. We're going to give them some salt and some water. You can use chicken stock. We'll also add just about a teaspoon of oil, and that's going to help with browning. Later, we'll cover them, let them steam and soften them and cook on medium-low heat. Now let's go make our meatballs. Let's get started with our meatballs. We're gonna crack 2 eggs and just beat those up. And add in our breadcrumbs. You can add milk, you can add cheese. I'm not adding either today. We're going to keep it real simple and straightforward, but just mix the egg and those panko breadcrumbs together. Then we've got our ground beef and our Italian sausage. And we'll put those into our bowl. And get to mixing. We want to be pretty gentle, but we want to mix it thoroughly. I'm not adding any additional salt because the Italian sausage I feel has enough salt for me. You can add a bit of salt if you like, but I can already smell the fennel that's in this sausage. And it doesn't take much time to get that blended. We've got our meatball mixture blended, and we're going to divide them into roughly 16 portions, just using our fingers. And they're a fairly small meatball. If you want bigger meatballs, you can make 8 meatballs, but these, they're going to be small. They're going to cook quickly, and we're going to get them done by the time our potatoes start to soften.
Let's check our potatoes. Ooh, steamy. Oh, yep. Those are tender enough. We're going to let the excess water boil off until there's just that oil that we added remaining. We'll slide our potatoes to the side and then add our meatballs. Move our potatoes over to one side of the pan and add our meatballs into the clear side. And then the whole thing can go into the oven. After 15 minutes in the oven, we're going to turn our meatballs. They've gotten brown on one side. We're going to turn them over and let them continue to brown on the other side. Be sure to cook your meatballs to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally. And then back into the oven. Now let's make a quick sauce. Get our cornstarch, a little black pepper, and our beef broth, and mix that up into a slurry, and we'll pour that into our pan for a little sauce. Now this is unsalted beef broth, so you can add a little salt if you want, or a little soy sauce would be good. I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. All right, we've got our dish out of the oven and we have it on medium heat to continue browning. Look at the nice color we have there. Whew, on our potatoes, they're cooking along with our meatballs. We're gonna add in our sauce. That's gonna thicken up. We'll stir it around a little more. Shake the pan. Make sure you watch that handle because this was in the oven. And then we're gonna put broccoli right on top. Cover it. Let our sauce thicken. Our broccoli finish, and then dinner will be done. All right, let's take a peek inside that Ninja Neverstick. It's steamy. If you like your broccoli softer, cook it for a little bit longer. We can stir it around in the sauce. Because I haven't added any salt to the broccoli yet. We can put a pinch of salt on top right now. Let's take a look. We got some sauce. Woo, steamy. Our potatoes, our meatballs, and dinner is done. Yum. Please subscribe for more recipes and product reviews. Look at this. One pot, no chop. Dinner is ready. You are going to like this one. There's plenty to go around. And if you have leftover meatballs, they make a great sandwich. Meatballs, potatoes, broccoli, and a little light sauce. I mean, I'm so happy and I am ready to eat. Let's grab a bowl and dish it up. Subscribe to Sweet Savant, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and have a delicious day.